Hangzhou Tangpushi Home Products Co. (AS Ltd) has been making waves in the home products industry, but before you make a purchase, there are a few key things you need to know. In this video, we're diving into the 7 most important details that can make or break your buying decision. Stick around to the end because you'll also get access to an exclusive offer that you won't find elsewhere. First off, let's talk about product quality. Hangzhou Tangpushi Home Products Co. (AS Ltd) is known for its wide range of home goods, from furniture to decor. Unlike some of their competitors, they focus heavily on sourcing high-quality materials, making sure each product stands out in terms of durability and finish. I've personally used some of their products, and I can tell you, they truly do live up to their reputation for craftsmanship. However, be prepared for a longer lead time on certain items compared to companies like IKEA or Wayfair, who offer faster shipping. Next thing to consider is their pricing. Hangzhou Tangpushi is competitively priced, but it's important to weigh that against the quality you're getting. Some cheaper alternatives may come from mass manufacturers that compromise on material quality or design. Tangpushi's products tend to be a bit pricier, but come with a longer lifespan, which is something to think about when making your decision. They offer a good balance of price and quality, but don't expect rock-bottom deals like you'd see from budget brands. The third thing is customization. One of the standout features of Hangzhou Tangpushi Home Products Co. Ltd is their ability to customize certain products to your needs. Whether it's custom-sized furniture or bespoke designs for your home, this flexibility makes them stand out from many of their competitors. But keep in mind that this can add time to your delivery schedule. So, if you're in a rush, this might not be the best option for you. Moving on to their customer service. Tangpushi offers solid customer support, but from my experience, they can be slower to respond than larger companies with more established customer service infrastructures. That said, they're very helpful once you get in touch, and they do provide assistance in multiple languages, which is a huge plus for international customers. The fifth thing to know is their return policy. Hangzhou Tangpushi Home Products Co. Ltd provides a decent return policy, but it's not as hassle-free as some of the big box stores. You'll need to follow specific instructions to ensure you get a refund or exchange, and some of their items may incur restocking fees, depending on the condition they're returned in. It's something to be aware of when shopping, especially if you're uncertain about your purchase. Next, let's talk about shipping. While their products are generally well packaged, the shipping process can be slow, especially if you're ordering from outside of China. For example, shipping times can stretch from 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your location. This is a bit longer compared to companies like Amazon, which have faster shipping options for similar products. But if you're not in a rush and can wait for your order to arrive, the wait is often worth it for the quality of the items. The seventh thing you should know before buying from Hangzhou Tangpushi Home Products Co. Ltd is the company's commitment to sustainability. In recent years, they've taken steps to improve their environmental impact by using more eco-friendly materials and reducing their carbon footprint. While some competitors are still lagging behind in this department, Tangpushi has been proactive in implementing green practices, which makes them a great option for environmentally conscious consumers. If you're interested in trying out Hangzhou Tangpushi Home Products Co. Ltd for yourself, the best deal is just a click away. The first link in the description gives you access to an exclusive free trial and special benefits that you can't find anywhere else. So, if you want to experience the quality of Tangpushi products firsthand and see if they live up to the hype, don't hesitate. Click the link below to get started today.